Hello guys, welcome to the 7th tutorial on HTML. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video for more updates. I'm going to be teaching you, in the last video I taught you how to add image, but in this video I'm going to be teaching you on how to resize images and how to collect folders from your local storage to your web page. I'm going to be starting with the how to resize image, which is the width. And you all know what width stands for. Width is the fatness of an object or the slimness of an object. And this quote is not telling us to insert any URL. It's telling us to insert the number of how buggy or slim the thing will be. I'm just going to be inserting 500. Then after that, the height. You all know what height is. Height is the tallness or shortness of an object, which I'm going to be writing the number, not URL, which 450. I will save, go to my browser. You can see the image was small, but now it's big. Let me remove this height and width, and let's see how the image will look like. I will hit the save button again. Go to my and refresh the page. This is just the actual image, but I resize it to this image, which I will save again. I'll go to my browser and refresh. You can see the image is big. So I think now you can resize your image in your web page. Now the next thing I said I'm going to be teaching you is how to take documents from your local storage to your web page, which we are not going to be using this code for that. We are going to be using the iframe code, then the src. You see it has an equal sign and the two quotes. These two quotes is not telling us the exact number but the URL of the folder. I'll just move to my folder. I want to insert the URL for this my pictures. I will just right click at the folder properties, security. I'll copy the URL. This highlighted text here is the URL. I'll copy it. I'll go back and insert it. You can see this corrupted file here, which is your eye need to be sharp to see this corrupted file. In case you see it, you will remove it. And after that, we write what we call the div, which is the div. We save. No, close. We save. We'll go to our browser, then we'll refresh. You can see the folder of the pictures there. But why is our picture not showing? Well, because the ID frame is not that big, which we are going to resize it now with the width. We are going to remove the div. We'll add the width, which is, let me put something like 4,000. Then the height, which is 3,500. Then don't forget to insert the div. I'll save. I'll go back to my browser. You can see that the ID frame is now big. You can see how big the ID frame is. It even covered all the files inside this folder. You can see index of C and all the rest pictures, and the folder that contain all this is pictures, and this is one of my pictures, which is this. You can see it. You can see these pictures. You can see the pictures. I took this from my local storage to the computer. In case you wanna learn this more, I created a link below. Please subscribe, share and like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.